Good afternoon. Today I would like to discuss a new line of treatment in New Hope Fertility Center called at-home IVF. Before I explain what at-home IVF all about, first let's quickly review the history of IVF. We all know the world's first IVF baby was born in 1978, Louis Brown, and this IVF is based on natural cycle IVF. No drugs. Natural cycle IVF. So patient basically just monitor with urine dip to find out when the patient is going to ovulate. Then patient egg was collected and made embryo and put it back. That was the world's first IVF. No drugs, zero drugs. During last 48 years of IVF history, due to numerous reasons, medicine has been developed to stimulate patient ovary to produce more eggs with multiple office visits to check the size of the follicles and blood work called monitoring. However, there is a group of the patients, and for many reasons, they may not suitable for drugs such as, or heavy drugs, such as a patient with different kind of medical conditions, or the patient with low ovarian reserve, AMH less than 1.0, and they really just need very minimal oral pills or even no pills. And for this group of patients, we offer them at-home IVF, meaning that they really just need to take a certain amount of medicine at home, then come to our clinic for the egg collection. They will have the same success rate as going through IVF with heavy drugs. So this is called at-home IVF. You starting with initial evaluation with our center, have a proper understanding of your ovarian function or reserve and condition. Understand, do you have a very regular menstrual period or not? Understand, you have a very long menstrual cycle length or short. Understand, you are 35 years or younger or older. Then we come out a best protocol for you with our last 20 years of experience in minimal stimulation IVF. Then you will be sent with a package of medicine for each day of the cycle. You will take a medicine as we designed for you. When you finish the medicine, you will do trick, not shot, with a nasal spray medicine to induce your ovulation. Then, but immediately before ovulation, you will come to our clinic for the egg collection. So you will minimize your 85% of injections and 85% of office visits. So this at-home IVF is really simplify the IVF procedure and also make it less stressful for the ladies. If you want to know more about at-home IVF, you can check our website or make a quick phone call or make a quick visit. And we will let you know how you may benefit from at-home IVF. Take care. Bye.